Vybz Kartel empty out the cubia and they not even know, so I just want to use the time out here.
Hold on, why tell them that again? So World Boss empty out all of the cubia.
Vybz Kartel empty out the cubia and he not even know say he
amazing, bro.
So.
Congrats again.
Yeah, man, teacher, shout out to yourself. You don't know Freedom Street, it helped the economy so much and people not even understand, bro. Not so much private jet come in and I think a little bit of food sell the night there, bro.
Wow,
people are call we say, yo, we need chicken for Freedom Street. Vybz Kartel empty out that one here, him empty out that one, them empty out piece of that. So Freedom Street day, man, we are dealing Freedom Street morning. I'm up from about 3 o'clock before I'll do and scatter.
Bro.
This is what we will be eating for the rest of 2025. Yes, man.
John Marky, I want a cutting board.
Yes, man. Yes, man.
I said this is for your chicken.
That is it, man.
Alright. Steamy General. Heading to the farm, yeah?
Go. We're there up on the raised right farm in the morning. Yeah? We're going to check out the birds, them, show you the pig, them, see if we can show you some goat as well. And you don't know when we're done, we have the jerk chicken. We're going to blaze up on the riverside. Now.
Wow.
Alright, forward. But we did do one Pepsi commercial right here, so. But yes, I just want like a storage here, one like a gazebo. So we did go do the jerk chicken here, so but I said no, so riverside.
On the river.
On the river.
Riverside,
yeah,
right?
So heading to the chicken coop now. We hear the can't hear the chicken them already. We see a lot of stuff, not just the chicken, we see a lot of stuff here on the land. A whole heap of coconut tree, we see jackfruit tree, banana, plum, all kind, star fruit, crazy stuff. But we can take a look on them there. But right now, we're heading inside the main ground.
Wow.
So yeah, so the jerk chicken come from the curry chicken, the fried chicken, your stew chicken, your nuggets, your chicken foot for your soup, your chicken neck, all of them things there.
And them
so
this.
Don't know. We and the chef them, we and the restaurant them, we work hand in hand, we make sure them have what them want, and then make sure say whatever we want to just the same though.
Nice. Amazing.
Farm to table, bro.
Farm to table.
Farm to table.
Amazing. Yo, looking at these now. Looking at these chickens now. How old are they now? Looking at them.
These just came out of brooding. These chickens are 2 weeks and 2 days old.
Oh, just 2 weeks?
2 weeks and 2 days old. Yep.
Just 2 weeks, bro?
I mean, the coolness of the environment, the tranquility, just, you know, they don't really have nothing for bother them. The only time we bother them is when we come feed them. So them are gonna grow. You know, hear no loud trucker pass, you know, hear no noise, you know, hear no sound string up. I just in the hills and in the valley we grow them. So you see me, this is optimum growth where you look on right here. So and we not use no additives. These are just strictly garlic. These are just strictly Cinco Bible we take from a farm. These are just
garlic and Cinco Bible.
Cinco Bible, papaya leaf, them thing that boost the immune system.
Them get that in them water?
In the water we blend it. The garlic, that's a natural tenderizer, so that's why the jerk man them on the restaurant them love buy the chicken from us. So may I tell you the thing, you know. We buy the garlic, we tenderize the meat. When we process one of our chicken, then when we squeeze all the breasts, you can feel the sink go down. That's how tender the meat is. Every 2-3 days we have a garlic water schedule where we have to run them pan.
That's
Yeah,
that's every two
every
to 3 days.
3 days, them have to get some garlic water and them diet.
That is a must.
Yep. And that's one of the reasons them why you notice normally you step in a chicken coop.
Yeah, the smell.
It stink.
Whoa.
You don't smell it.
I was just about to say, but yeah, give me the rundown. I said, man, nah, stop you. Literally, me step in and
It smell like a house, maybe.
you can live in a brother.
Yeah.
For real, you can actually live in a this. No smell at all, just freshness.
Yeah,
to be honest, like when you literally have to smell it to believe it.
Yep.
Just by looking, you might think a joke, but literally just pure freshness.
Yep.
Crazy
That's
vibes.
the garlic water when I tell about the aloe vera as well. For the aloe vera now you have this thing where this poultry disease, it's called coccidiosis. It basically cripple up the chicken them and it decrease them growth. The aloe vera, it's a natural anti-coccidiant. So basically that fight against coccidiosis, we don't really like to buy the bag of supplements and the this and the that. So we just work with the natural thing. Nothing beat the natural way, you know?
Wow.
So yeah, man.
Chicken them active, brother.
Over here, so.
Oh, me see you put like you part them off. What's the difference with these one over here?
Alright, voila.
Boy, them active though. Look how them just run, man. Everybody just run in a group.
Alright, so if you notice, the ones over here, they're a little bit plummier than the ones over this side. If you pay close observation. These ones are a few days older. These are about, I'm going to have to check by the calendar, but I know they are about 2 weeks and either 4 or 5 days. But yeah, man, these are a little bit bigger than the ones over here.
So a 2 days difference can make you can actually see the difference in the chicken itself.
Yep.
Just 2 days.
Just 2 days apart.
Wow.
Because remember them grow big in at 6 weeks. At 6 weeks them ready, you know.
Oh, that's the max?
1 month and 2 days them ready.
That's the max
Yep,
you give them?
That's the max. Sometimes too we take care of them and deal with them and you know them at such a good level. Sometimes we can start process them at even 5 weeks, 3 days, 5 weeks, 4 days.
Oh wow.
But
What's the earliest you ever send them up?
5 weeks 1 day.
Wow.
5 weeks 1 day. Yep.
Well tender, big and nice.
And we have to pay keen attention to the size as well, because a lot of restaurant people, they don't really like them too big. Some people don't like them too small.
Oh yeah?
So, yeah, man.
For real?
Yep.
What do you think that though?
Here's the thing.
Nice. Whoa.
Let's say you own a restaurant and you want 100 pound of chickens, right?
Mm-hmm.
If me give you a 5 pound chicken, you have to get 20 chickons. But if me give you a 4 pound, you have to get 25.
Whoa.
A leg is just a leg, a wing is
Whoa,
just
you
a
know,
wing.
never think about it that way.
Yep.
Wow. Crazy.
Yep. Yes, sir.
Wow.
Yeah, man. So this is it. You're looking at about 2,300 chickens right here in this chicken house.
What?
Yep. And one little blackbird. I don't know how you make him weigh in, but in there and I'm to feed as well.
Oh yeah, I see him. I catch him, man. I eat some of the feed. I get some of the. I get tenderized though.
But how you make him go on still, you know? You might keep them company.
Nice.
But yeah, man.
So in total this is about 2,000 plus
2,000,
chicken.
yeah, man,
We're looking at
2,000
right here.
birds right here. Yep. Yes, sir.
Whoa.
Yep.
Whoa. So these are just the size we're seeing now currently. You have bigger ones?
We have others, man.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, man. We have other chickens. This is just the first house.
Whoa.
Yep.
So the size. The size. So as soon as the bigger they get, you ship them out to like a different section of the farm.
No, man, we grow them out.
Stay in this and grow up to them 6.
If you notice, right now the coop it's not packed to its full capacity. There's so much space.
Mm-hmm.
As when them start grow, them start take up more square feet, and the coop just get thicker and thicker with chickens.
Nice. So them have them space. So even when them reach them 6 weeks, them still have a lot of space same way.
1 square feet to a chicken.
Wow.
1 square feet to a chicken. Yep.
Yeah, you know more ask them. I know the world probably want to know too.
Go ahead.
Let me just get this out of the way. When did you start this whole chicken production poultry farm thing?
Alright, I started it right after Corona. Before Corona, I had a business where I was doing table and chair rental and so forth. However, you don't know, the pandemic was very detrimental to that. because you know the whole lockdown, event promotion and all of them things that it kind of come to a halt. And the pandemic basically taught me that essential businesses are the best, because if the world for lockdown again, the world have to eat.
Wow.
So I just decided, say, watch you know, I'm going to divert into the part of agriculture, and it just led me to this because I have an uncle that was already doing it. I had some in-laws that were doing it as well, so that's where the whole inspiration came from. And you know, just jumping in it.
So it's the inspiration from a family member.
From a family member.
So you never go school for this?
No, I never go school.
Yo.
But remember, anything you want to learn, you can learn everything that on YouTube, everything that you get what I say.
Whoa.
The information out there.
Bro, I must say, in the midst of doing this, I have to tell you congrats for all of the achievement where you achieve so far. Everything where you achieve so far, I have to say congrats. And bro,
Respect.
Maximum respect. And we must big up Jeffrey too. Jeffrey is out there in St. Thomas. He's doing a lot of flowers and fruit trees and all
that.
Jeffrey,
You the panty.
Jeffrey didn't go to school for that. Jeffrey link up.
More some things.
Jeffrey,
honestly, I need some things, bro. The man have the... I see him do lychee.
Amazing. Jeffrey didn't... Fun fact, Jeffrey didn't go to school for that.
Word.
So you just remind me of that.
The information there if you want to learn it, man.
Amazing, bro. Let's continue. Bro, big up.
Respect. On to the next scoop.
Ready up. Amazing work. We're heading to another room right now. Cause we can't call this scoop. We have to call this room tour in a smell good like a cologne in it. Crazy. And as you can see, part of crazy vibes. These are about 2 weeks. Him say 2 weeks. We're probably about 2 weeks, 2 days, and those are like a little older, probably like about 2 days. So it's crazy how the man now go school for this. It's just amazing. Pretty young youth like myself, and as I say, this is just something that I feel so passionate about, you know, linking up with the youths and my age and can see the work what them are putting in, and it's so amazing. So may I tell you, the place looks so good and smells so good. We are to head to another room right now. Hey, yeah, man.
See. The final line.
Yeah, me man. You know I got.
Well, I look like in that fight.
Alright, so this scoop now, poultry house number 2. Same 2 week, 2 day old. We have some empty coops up top. You know, we're going to stop them out shortly. You know, Freedom Street, empty out the whole of the coop them one day. So shout out to Vybz Kartel, you don't know.
For real?
Well, say Freedom Street, knock out the coop them one day, man.
Whoa, amazing.
Freedom Street, empty with deep freeze them one day.
Amazing, bro. Can't get again, brother.
So that just go for show you the economical value where even music add to the society and them thing there. Yeah, man.
That
Freedom Street what day? Customers want thousands of pounds of chicken, man.
Oh, wow.
Yep.
Nice. So these are 2 weeks, 2 days. Same way. Just like those over there. In a different space.
So these red things that you guys are seeing in the coop, it's called a water plus sand. So basically it's an automatic water feeder. So you don't know, we have to incorporate a little bit of technology in our way because the world I get modern. We don't really have the time for sit down every day and I give them water every 2 hours. We just install these in the chicken houses and we just connect it to the big black tank, and the tank just feed them right throughout the duration of them time.
So all of the house them get from the same one tank?
No, not the same one tank. We have more than one tanks.
Okay. Nice.
These are the chicken feeders. We prefer to use these ones because these ones are slotted. So this help with feed waste management. By using these, the chickens waste the feed, unless if it was just an open concept chicken feeder, then they could scratch it out. But you see, because it's slotted, so they don't really have the space to play up in it. Them just have to go pick, put on back.
Amazing.
Yeah, man.
Amazing.
If you notice, every house have a table because we like to stack our feed and or sawdust, so you know, other equipments and other necessities on each table. So we just build a table in each poultry house.
Nice. And the
Yeah,
sawdust. So the sawdust, you
Alright,
get these
so,
from like workshops and all of that, right?
The sawdust, it comes from a specific supplier
So it's
because
just one place you get your
one
sawdust
place.
from.
You have to know the type of sawdust you are using because some sawdust, the chickens are allergic to certain wood like cedar wood and certain other type of wood. It can scratch them skin and give them all different type of bacteria and certain things. So we just
Wow.
use one place. Normally when we are prepare the poultry house, before the chickens come, after we spread out the sawdust, we spray it with some vinegar. We just put on a spray pan, go around, spray it with some vinegar, so we even disinfect the sawdust itself.
Extra coverage of protection.
Yeah, man, before
just
we
like
even
that.
put chicken inside.
Nice.
Yep.
Amazing. The details, bro.
Yeah, man,
the details, brother, where you go down in
I
that.
give you the 100, man. We're not
Crazy.
gatekeep.
Crazy.
Because we know the people watch your thing for learn
Crazy.
as well. So
and we
man.
know them would appreciate love that.
Of course.
Crazy, the details. Wow.
Yes, I. This house have about how much we did put in here? So I think about 850 we did put in here. Yeah, so this house is a smaller house compared to that one. So that one is 2,300. This one is 850.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
Bro, chicken for days, innit?
For days.
Chicken for days, innit?
I wanna touch the pig them yet.
Oh, pig there
touch
too.
the goat them as yet.
What?
Yeah, man, forward and walk where I walk.
Next house. Whoa.
So, yup. Okay, sir.
So this is one of the tank.
Yeah, man, so this is one of the tank. It supplies the first poultry house, the one that we went in first. So yeah, man, this is the tank.
Nice.
Of course we have a water catchment because we get a good amount of rainfall in this area.
Oh,
man.
the rainwater, it's actually good for them, yeah?
Yep.
Wow. Naturally.
And this is our, if you notice, it's connected to this. This is the, because remember when we blend up the garlic water, we can't just throw it in the big tank like that.
True.
So we have to blend it up and put it inside of a medicine drum where we know so them can done in a 1 to 1.5 day period. Yeah, so this supply that.
Amazing.
Yep.
The details again, brother.
Yeah, man.
Amazing.
Yes, sir.
Whoa.
Forward, man.
Forward. The great Michael there with the big up in a youth. Big up yourself, chef. Yeah, man. We have another chef here too, you know.
It a tape!
Alright.
Gaza never read. Vybz Kartel empty out the cubia and they not even know, so I just want to use the time out here.
Hold on.
Say, yo.
Hold on. Why you tell them that again? So world boss empty out all of
Vybz
that cubia.
Kartel empty out the cubia and he not even know say I
Amazing, bro.
So.
Congrats again.
Yeah, man, teacher, shout out to
Again.
yourself. You don't know Freedom Street. It helped the economy so much and people not even understand, bro. Not so much private jet come in and I think a little bit of food sell the night there, bro.
Wow,
People are call where I say, yo, we need chicken for Freedom Street. I had like 4 suppliers, 4 of my clients catering at Freedom Street, and all of them are link me and say, yo, we're gonna need birds. So Vybz Kartel empty out that one, him empty out that one, them empty out piece of that. So Freedom Street there, man. We are dealing Freedom Street morning. I'm up from about 3 o'clock before I'll do and scatter.
Bro. Yeah, man. Amazing work, bro.
Yep.
And I'm glad them people actually seeing the work, bro, and you're getting paid for the work that you actually put in, the great work that you actually put in, bro.
Right.
The great work that you actually put in, bro. Amazing. Congrats, brother.
So as I said, this will clean up in the day. Yeah?
So this is just an empty coop.
This is just an empty coop. Somebody will come clean it down today, wash up the whole of the feeding upon them, the water upon them. Take out some of the dry sawdust and them are going to spray it down, you don't know, biosecurity measure and so forth, and we'll just get it up and running for another batch.
Nice. I put some young boys in this.
Put some young boys in it, yeah.
Alright, nice.
Yeah, man.
So it's the next house.
Alright, on to the next. This one number 10.
Whoa.
Forward, my G. Banana tree like crazy.
Yo, man, tell her, brother.
Yeah, man.
Banana tree for days, alcohol, cocoa.
Cocoa, yeah, man.
Everything there here upon the ground, brother. Amazing. Oh yeah, we see some big boys. Oh, it's another empty coop this. Oh, some big boys in there, so you can see them from far. Oh, heavy duty. Heavy duty. Whoa.
The harvest will start Monday.
Oh yeah?
The harvest will start Monday.
Oh, for real?
Yep, these chickens will be 6 weeks Monday, so we just grow them out
Yeah.
until Monday. You know,
So them one are ready for touching at the cook shops.
Man, them one are ready, man. Cook shop on a link up. The jerk man, them on a link up.
Oh yeah, hold on, let me just put that out there. Let me just put that out there. Cook shops on a link up. Everything one want I got in the description. Look at this.
You call this organic. You call this healthy. Yeah man, you see? No little dibby fowl. We take care of fowl them the right way. Not to mention how we process them. We follow all health and safety procedures and guidelines because guess what? We grow what we eat and we eat what we grow.
Eat what we grow. Amazing.
Crazy vibes. Yeah man.
That is it, man.
Whoa. Oh, God, brother. Amazing.
Oh, catch it for me. Catch it for me there.
One coming out like, no more.
All the my members. Grabbing two books and then so you can hold him on him back.
Alright, come in, G. Tell me when it catch. Want good lighting, don't make it dark. Yeah, want the light catch my face. Tell me when it catch my face. Have good lighting? Yeah. Watch your head.
Could you press something?
Good lighting?
If you press nothing?
Nah man, it's a record already. That tape. Yeah. This is what we will be eating for the rest of 2025. Yes, man. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, man, just like that.
What is?
Oh, God, man. Sweet. Ain't it?
Right.
Oh, God.
Sugar pine.
Crutch short. Everything there upon the ground, brother. Everything you can think about. We say a nice Neesberry tree over here. So, like, literally every single tree you can think of there.
I never line up a climber to make you get some jelly after the walk done start.
Oh, God, man.
Aye.
Yo,
Jano,
I would appreciate love some of that in the year. So I know bush there now.
Yeah, man.
See a nice pear tree there so too. Whoa, crazy stuff. Yeah, big cocoa, them cocoa are taller than. Just look at that. Oh yeah, we're heading to another house. You say you don't see these very. Yeah man, that's what the country youths have say man. We see them from afar, all without the fruits. Nice. A nice guava here, sir. Yeah man. Oh, these are the layers. Ooh, alright.
Amazing batch of layers right. I said this I wanna get some good. Me's a egg lover. When me a boil egg, all 5 of them me I eat one time. That's how we go to work. Crazy amount of egg we eat. And just look on this now. Oh, amazing.
We're here at the layer house. Of course, you can't keep the broiler chickens, which are the white birds that we eat for meat. You can't keep them and the layers at the same spot. You know, vets don't require that, so you need them, you know, a distance apart. So we had to travel way up at the top part of the farm for that.
Exactly. Hold on. Just me not cut it, but me not cut it. Right. You know where I had man. But these are actually a good distance away from the actual
white
chickens. For real.
Yeah man, you can't keep them within close proximity.
Whoa.
You have to keep them at a distance.
Whoa.
Yep. But it's not packed to its full capacity right now. We're supposed to get an order for about 800 layers. This coming month, maybe the middle of this month. These are some older birds. We get them and we grow them for like 2 years. After 2 years, you know, the egg production starts to decrease, so we have to change them out. So normally we just let them go up on the farm. Some people process them for stewing hens and so forth, but we normally just let them out because you don't know. Them help fertilize the farm just the same too.
You ever eat them?
No, I've never eaten them.
Never try eat them?
No. You?
No, never.
Yeah, man.
Never. So hold on. You get the layers before they start laying eggs?
As they start.
Oh, as they start. So when do they normally start? When
Alright, so normally the big farmers grow them out for I think it's like 1 year. And after that 1 year mark, you see them start dropping eggs, and then we take them from them and you know put them in egg production for like 2 years.
Up to 2 years.
So after that, you know, so them start get old, you know.
So this about how much layers in us right now?
Right now, this is about we gave away a lot because, as we say, it don't really make no sense to keep them on the farm and then now lay them now give about the cash flow there.
True.
So we gave away a lot of them. Right now, this is about. I think we kept back about 75.
And how much is it daily? Them lay eggs?
All right. So let's say it's packed to its full capacity,
which is about
800.
Oh yeah.
800 layers. As long as the flock is healthy and well taken care of, as long as the weather pattern and certain elements are, you know,
you're talking about cool environment,
cool environment and all of that. As long as it's right where it should be. For 800 birds, we normally look at anywhere from 720 to 750 eggs daily. Yeah, man.
Whoa.
720 to 750 eggs daily. So the next time you taste your pastry, alright, so the eggs them probably come from.
Yo.
The next time, you know, you eat your cocoa bread, your patty, you name it.
Oh God, man.
We have bakeries that we supply. We supply
with the eggs.
Chinese restaurants. We supply wholesales as well. Yeah, man. So that is it.
Congrats again, you. Believe me, bro. The details again.
Yeah, man.
For real. And I must ask, because I don't know about layers, yeah. So they are with the pro. Them just lay the eggs right on the ground.
Right on the ground.
Right on the ground.
If you notice, what we're gonna do though, we're gonna build some nesting box. That's what I wanna change for the next upcoming flock. I wanna build some nesting box. But if
so
you notice,
them lay night.
But if you notice the ground, it's sand. So
oh yeah, we'll just tell them say we forgot the key down there. Yeah, we got the key. That's why we're not inside. Yeah. But we can see same way.
It's sand. It's not sawdust, it's sand. So, you know,
oh, it's sand.
It's soft for the sand, provide a cushion there for the egg them. And as when it's at its full capacity, we have somebody that picks up every 6 o'clock in the morning, every like 4 o'clock in the evening. So yeah, man.
Nice.
But
so them lay like in the night.
Yeah, man, right through.
Right through.
Because remember, you know, the whole 800 now go lay the same time. You have some lay in the morning, some lay midday, some lay down in the night.
Makes sense.
But yeah,
makes sense for
them
real.
lay right through, man.
Amazing. What about broken eggs?
Broken.
How that?
So we've had instances where eggs get broken, yeah, man. So
not
that's
a lot,
why.
though.
Not a lot, but you don't know every mickle make a muckle. So that's why I'm leaning towards using the nesting box for the next upcoming batch, because you know, after doing research, after talking with certain layer farmers, because I'm not a big layer farmer, as you notice. I just one layer coop compared to 5 broilers. So you know, I get my foot wet with the layers. Yeah, man.
And is it a case where when you get the nesting box, is it a case where you have to go train them to go in it for lay the eggs, or them?
No,
them
man, just off of instincts, man. Just off of instincts.
Yeah. True.
Yeah, man, they know say up there so we're gonna lay. Yeah, man.
True. Wow. Amazing. I would like to taste one of them, see, man. I like.
One of them. You know, people do them. People do them, those stewing hen and so forth.
Feel like I eat one of them still one night time.
Man, but them tough still, I mean, so them tough.
Like rooster. We eat rooster on their country, so yeah. Wow. Cook them on some stone, drop a stone in the pot. You don't know them technique there. Yeah, when I cook the rooster, the tough rooster. When I cook the tough rooster, I have a drop a nail. It's not a stone, sorry, it's a nail. Drop a nail at the pot. I don't know if that works for you, but crazy. Amount of layers. And the vibes continues.
We have one more poultry house up north, but I mean, we don't really have to go there because it's not nothing that you guys haven't seen. I basically the same thing.
Amazing. Now we appreciate of this tour.
Ready for the pigs, them?
Ready for the pigs.
Let's go.
Ready. Pig time. Yeah, man. I open up appreciate of the we see the layers them right so, and the broilers them down at the bottom. We're heading to open up appreciate of the tour. We're not done yet. We still have a whole heap more coming up. We see the farm. The farm looks so big and nice. We see a lot of planting. We see a lot of banana, a lot of fruit trees. Crazy amount of fruits and medicine cheese that look like one of them merengue tree that right there too. Crazy amount of. Are the merengue though?
What's your money now?
Oh, someone get it right.
Show me merengue tree. Show me merengue tree now, man.
I them man for real, man. Oh God, man. Them say me a countryman can pick up every leaf. crazy vibes, man. We're heading to pigs now. Yeah, man.
Alright, so right now, again, we're on the raised right farm and I'm standing on top of 1 out of 5 of our water catchment. Basically, we designed the farm in a way where if we don't get rain, if we don't get water, like through the pipeline, for maybe like 6 to 7 months, we have enough water for supply the whole entire farm.
Months?
Months.
Yo, I think you'd have say weeks in a bro.
Months. These,
months?
Them I go way deep. Yeah, man. So we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, 4, 5. 5 of them.
Crazy.
Yes,
so hold on.
I could go up there. We could go up there and see what going on.
Wow.
See that? Yeah, see what going on? Put on the camera.
And the water actually looks so pretty. Whoa.
Hold the camera good.
This go way down.
Bro, that's
and the
cool,
water
man.
actually looks so clean. So all of them actually full currently?
All of them full.
All of them full.
Yep.
So hold on, one of them I can serve for 7 months?
No,
or
the
you
whole
mean
of, of them.
Okay,
all
okay.
of them, yeah, man.
This look like a whole heap of water this can feed a whole
You see the
village,
water
so.
clean?
That me I say, bro?
Yep.
Whoa.
Yes, sir. Yep.
Amazing. Whoa. So this is a mesh thing over it, right?
Yeah, man.
So it's actually leaf keep out most of the leaves
and
you know, certain stuff which are
yeah, man.
amazing. Amazing.
Yes, sir.
Crazy. So the rain just fall and it on you use something for like lead the water to it, or the rain just fall right down in it. That's right. Whoa. Crazy. Whoa.
Yeah, man. Tell me what about this, cause you know the whole of the tree them, you know.
Oh yeah, nice papaya right here.
Alright.
Crazy vibes. Crazy.
Man,
Crazy
the whole of
vibes.
the thing them.
Crazy. We kinda know 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Not a lot. It's 1 and 2. So I head down to the pigs them now, yeah? Amazing. Nice jackfruit right here. Huge jackfruit tree. Some nice sugar canes over there, papaya, a lot of stuff. See a lot of scotchy there on the know. Means a pepper man. The scotchy them there, see a nice pumpkin on the ground too. Crazy amount of stuff here. You hear the pigs them about.
Yes,
About
sir.
out. Yeah man.
Forward, man.
Whoa. I think this them use, a castor oil is that?
Castor oil, yeah.
Castor oil, nice. Yeah. For real. Oh, now I've got sweet orange over here too, bro. Is that sweet orange right there?
Which one of them?
Yeah, I'm there over our head.
Yeah.
Yeah, that right there. Straight
That
across.
one over there, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Nice.
Yep.
Oh, Michael reached before it.
Bombat. Where am I come from?
Bro, I need I swear. Michael reached before. Michael, easy, you know.
Jump on the handbrake, you know.
Great chef boss. Oh yeah. This is a vibe. We're heading down to the pigs them right now. Oh god, them look so pretty already. I love pigs, you know. Yeah man, I love pigs even though I'm afraid of them, but I love them. Whoa.
So again, Freedom Street take out one portion of them. And you know just the whole December period, because you know December is the peak season for pork. So right now we are grow back the herd, because what we like do, we just like grow them up for December, and then touch December we just cash in, you know?
Nice.
Yeah man, so that's how we deal with it. So but make we go look on them now.
Right
We
away.
have
Right
different
away.
breeds. We have a little bit of large white, we have some landrace, we have some Duroc, we have some mix.
Hold on, tell you about them names already?
Alright, no, the breed. So
the breed.
the breed, yeah.
The breed.
So we have landrace, we have this look like it's a Duroc mix, and we have large white as well.
Oh, see? What the difference from them come from?
The difference, color, size,
Oh.
shape,
True.
yeah man, all of that.
True, nice.
The ears different. If you notice that one here, female ears are go up. You notice how female ears are go up. You might have that one here, for them ears kind of flap over. So yeah man, this is a large one. Yep. So a little piggy coming.
This pig, a little piglet, them about how much?
Them him just come out of weaning, so maybe
2 months? Guess
month
good?
and change. Month and change.
Month and
going
change.
there. Yeah, man.
Oh, I guess close, man.
You guess close.
Nice.
Yeah, a farm man yourself.
Amazing,
Yeah,
amazing. Amazing. Hey, that easy there. That's I give him a props them, sir. Amazing, man.
Them here now. We are grow them. We are grow them here. Them here might not. We might not keep them here until December. We might let go these. Well, we don't know. January, February, March, April. Maybe by end of April, May, we might send out these. The reason being, we don't like when the pork too fatty. We don't like when the fat layer upon the pork too thick. People kind of like them pork kind of lean. So if you notice, we only feed them. We don't feed them right through the day for them get that layer of fat. They will feed them in the morning. We feed them in the evening, morning time. Them get a diet like animal feed and so forth. Evening time we know vegetable scraps and all of them things. So we try to keep it balanced. Forget the leanness then of the
So
pork.
the pigs them actually feed them, make them eat like them eat on a balance. For real.
Yep, and guess what? Nothing no waste, because even when we harvest the chickens them, when we process the chickens them, the chicken tripe and all of them things there, we can cook it, mix it with feeding and feed them as well.
Oh, nice.
Yep.
You give them the chicken intestines,
Yep.
cook them and give them.
Yep.
Whoa.
Cook it with all pigtail water, mix it up with all some vegetable scraps as well, throw all 1, 2, 3 bag feed in the barrel, and we just make a thing called a slush.
For them. Nice. So the pigs them actually eating healthy,
Yeah,
really
man.
healthy.
Yeah, man.
And then the as I said, the balanced diet kinda lead them to not being the meat not being fatty,
Not being too fatty.
too
Yeah, man.
fatty.
You know that
For
type
real.
of pork the way you bite and the layer of fat
Extra. Extra
a
thick.
lot of persons don't like it like that,
For
yeah,
real.
man. So we try to keep it as lean as possible.
Nice. Material on the plate. Oh yeah.
1 million likes, I'm jumping on one of them pigs. Yeah.
And again, bro. And again, I must say, the smell of these place. The smell of these place, bro.
Just pure freshness, literally. And we're there, I want pig farm. This is no joke. How you do it, bro, is just amazing, brother.
If you pay close attention to the floor, you
Wow.
notice that it no mucky, it no wetty, it no slidey, them foot no slide. We clean it out every morning. Yeah, man, every morning the same big water catchment. So me I tell you, we just turn on the pump from up top. And when we come down here, we just wash it out every morning. So this way you see, I just a
Clean
few
and
hours
dry
of
and
feces.
nice. Whoa.
Yeah, man.
And that's a must. Them have to do this
Them
right
have-
through the
them have to do
day.
it.
Crazy. But how you limit the smell, bro. It's just amazing. It's
And
just amazing.
the feces that you're looking at, we pay close attention to the feces to ensure that our pigs are healthy. We don't want it too watery at the same time. You don't want it too solid. You just want it to have that level of consistency there. You know, say, yeah, man, the nutrition is right. Them not eat too much water. Them not have no diarrhea.
That is how you want it to look.
You don't have no yellow or no red night, no blood stain, nothing like that. So we pay close attention to the feces as well, because the feces hold a lot of information inside that.
Whoa. Yo, please tell the people them say you not go school for this,
No
bro.
school no, man.
Really?
No school, no school at all.
Chano,
And I say, if you
bro.
want to learn it, you go learn it, because the information there, the Google there, the YouTube there.
Amazing,
I just
bro. You may
need
just
to take the
make
time
use
out.
of it.
Yep,
For real.
that is
Crazy.
it. Alright,
Crazy.
we're going to go around to the goat them here now.
Oh, goat stuff.
Yeah, man.
Nice. Big boy.
So we have some winners here still up on them, man.
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
Them are the little troublemaker them.
Yes, man. Yeah, man. Them wanna pop out the ears drum, them, man.
Yeah, man.
Oh God, man.
Oh, God.
Yes, man.
And of course, in every pig pen we have them water nipples, them for them drink them water. Them have to do a press it and the water come out. You don't know?
Hold on, this is a nipple that them actually.
Yeah, man. Then just pet the nipples. So yeah, that's how they get water through the
Wow. Amazing. And all of this in all of that in all of the That nipple in,
Yeah, man,
in
if
all
you
of
check
them.
out all of the houses, them, man. See, you come down to one here, see it there, right? There,
Amazing.
yeah, man.
Amazing.
Them just want to go and squeeze it, man. Bite it.
Whoa.
Them learn quick.
And that is just natural. Yeah, that's just natural instinct same way from them.
Yep. You just want to show them.
True.
You just want to show them.
True.
Yep.
See, man, that champion one.
No, I'm gone, you know.
Gone?
You don't notice, you don't see him.
I just can't talk.
In the boat, man. Alright, forward, make go take in the goat them, you know.
Alright.
Because you don't know chicken for jerk
Yeah.
and baiting for go on.
Oh yeah. The goat them is a must, eh?
Yo, yesterday me there bar buying a brother and the man order food in a dog. And the curry goat not coming night, you know. Brother come like the man want pack up all him shit. Like the man never, yo, people take them curry gravy serious, you know.
Serious.
Some man not
Serious.
joke with them curry gravy, you know, bro.
True.
I have some man them want them curry gravy with all one little piece of mutton bone in it or a piece of mutton meat, same way, you know.
Them want the spoon miss and just drop something in there.
You see that boy there pretty? Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Watch his sheen on him skin, man.
Yes,
Whoa, you up to him forward, they say you can see the sheen. Oh, the fish eye. Whoa. Nice. Nice.
Molasses and them thing them.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, man. Some of them gone up in the bush though, you know.
Oh yeah, let them go also.
Some of them gone up in the bush, man. You have no something there? You have no piece of place where you can plant nothing?
Oh yeah, definitely, bro.
You want a coconut sucker?
Oh god, man, I
them a
appreciate
be
that.
already now. All you have to do is just scratch out the earth and put them down, you know.
Nice,
Scratch
amazing.
out the earth, get pieces, get a bucket of sand. Throw there.
I appreciate love that, brother.
Yeah,
Oh
man.
yes, man. Respect, man.
Yeah, man.
Respect, man.
Yes, I.
Ho.
Yeah.
Down in the grog.
Mhm.
Yes, man.
That's
Respect.
Yes, I. Every fruit where we eat, you know, them can eat the leaf, you know.
True.
So just bear that in mind. Aki,
Nice.
breadfruit, anything.
For real.
Once we eat it, them can eat the leaf.
Nice.
Yeah, man, I want birdie. Yeah, man, the goat thing, I still try to soak up some knowledge for going out on that level there, like how you see the chicken them.
True.
And you know, it take a little bit more time, a little bit more energy than the chickens them. So, we just have to take time and put the puzzle together one. Yeah,
Wow.
man.
Amazing. And it come together little by
It'll
little.
come together little by little, of course.
And that's what
Because
counts.
the herd get bigger and bigger, and as me say, enough of them gone up in the mountainside, gone graze to come back. Yeah.
Nice. Oh, what's going on? What's going on right here?
We have a little feeding, a little makeshift feeding pan for them not to waste the grass as much. So yeah, man, we just pack up that grass. And you know it's kind of healthier because sometimes them defecate, them urinate and then go eat it back and so forth. So just to keep it a little bit cleaner, we just do a little makeshift thing.
Nice.
You know what I mean? Yeah.
Put the brain to work.
Yeah, man.
Whoa, for real.
Yes, sir.
Them head ever get stuck in it, and I have to pull them up. Like I said, the two of them neck in it one time. Whoa. Ah, them they easy, you know. Amazing. Yo. Oh,
Little bit
fatten
before
up them,
summer,
boy.
we can let them out.
Oh yeah.
Send them
Nice.
out on the market, you know?
And leaving the males with the females. It not affect. It not. Oh, nice. Yeah, man. Bigger one. Respect.
Root and everything.
Root and everything. Respect,
Yeah,
man.
man. See a bigger one, yeah.
Respect, man. Right in the backyard.
Hold it for me, them boy. Please, and thanks. Alright, they can put back that one there.
Give me that one there, Joe.
Yeah, man. But what I was saying before, leaving the males with the females, it not affect. I'm talking about the pigs.
The pigs.
Yeah.
No, them not reach reproductive stage as yet. So them good for now.
True.
But you know, and yeah, them not ready for start jump them one another yet. But when
No
them
wet
ready for
dreams
that,
yet.
when
No
them
wet
ready,
dreams yet.
yeah, when them ready for that stage there, of course, you know, we separate them and we just breed them accordingly to
Nice.
how we want them.
True,
Yeah, man.
true. Amazing.
Yes, I.
Yeah, man, the
And
details.
we try to mix up brother with sister and so forth because that kind of water down the genetic.
Oh, for real.
So if it come from the mother then the father, they will try to take a pig from the mother and the father and put it together at all time, yeah.
And that same procedure goes with even the goat also?
Yeah.
True.
Same way.
Nice.
So, cousin now go boil good soup, yes.
But they always say that word. Yo, the soup naga nice. Oh, yo, this a giant.
So the champion boy, yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah, man, this is a champion boy, man. This.
Yo, the camera and I do that one on the justice, brother.
And the champion boy this month.
Jeez and peace.
When I breeding season animal them man and not normal. Be a ball in down here.
Whoa.
So yeah man, again.
This is actually big.
People would have to bring it to the farm for to see where the food that come from.
And this is amazing.
This on a jerk pork, on a stew pork, on a pig tail, you name it, your pig chatters, you know what me love again.
Oh wow.
Mad.
Oh yeah.
Mad.
Big up Stevie's up at Linstead. Yeah man.
Big up Stevie's.
Yeah man. The Agate boss.
Yes, sir.
Yeah man. And hold the finger. another big boy right here. So now get the tour. So amazing. Amazing. Yeah man. Crazy vibes here on the farm. We see some apples right here. I feel like I want to get some apples to eat. I don't know the vibes. Yard life. Yes man.
When you're rooted and grounded.
So Kayaga Road.
Yeah man.
Like that.
Bring this go drop back in the earth, make it continue the process same way.
Same way.
You see me a friend of mine asked me for a coconut sucker.
Nice.
So I'm gonna make sure get it.
Yeah,
So you don't know. Now dive too deep in this a Jeffrey specialty them thing, yeah? Big up yourself.
Big up Jeffrey. Nice.
You know, make no sense
Respect.
every time, man.
Respect bro. Why Michael just a funny tree themselves. Oh,
Love fruits, man.
amazing. Yeah man. This is the real vibes. Yeah man, this is the real vibes.
Not street vibes.
Big up Mike. Yeah man.
Home
This is how-
vibes.
This is how we wash it. Yeah. In other country them growing up.
Yeah, man.
Isn't it? This is how we wash that plate. Bite off the top. I don't know if it make any sense, but you bite off the top.
You what? Break off the top.
Yeah, and just
Yeah.
rub it just like this.
Follow
This is the juice. This is the juice. This is the juice from the apple itself. So you use that same water, that fresh nice water from the apple itself, and you use it to rub around the entire base of the apple. If that make any sense. Yeah man. And just bite in. Sweet.
You know much wasp in a tree.
Yo, your chance it, you know. Respect you.
I have my breakfast already, you know. Banana, apple, guava. You name them.
Fruits of breakfast. Can't get any healthier than that. Amazing spot right here. We're heading to to a local spot right now to do a quick thing. That same chicken we see from the farm, in the houses. We have some, we're gonna eat some. That's the vibe. From the farm to the plate. Amazing. Yeah man.
So yeah people, you know we all left the farm and now Clyde stop look farming now.
Yeah, with that tape in it, nah, cut it to that. That's the vibe, man. That's the real vibe. That's the real vibe, man. It's at the farm suit.
We'll take it off, man.
Yeah, man.
Now we go up on the river, go jerk some chicken and thing, you know?
Some of the same fowl them.
Same chicken them.
Same
You
chicken.
know if we raise chicken and go jerk at that chicken.
From the farm,
No,
from the
sir.
farm to the plate. Amazing.
Yeah man, farm to table vibe. Don't know the chef? Theme
Oh.
part of show you know.
Two chefs
John
are
Mark
the man.
Catering.
That is it, man.
Yes, sir.
Chef
Cool,
Michael
man.
there.
A chef daily, man.
Chef Rye.
Man, yeah, this look good, brother. I can't wait to dig down into this, believe me. Yeah, man.
Losing moisture quick, man.
The bigger the cut is, the more moisture.
Yeah, the more moisture it is. Yeah, man, you know, come down already.
Alright people, so you don't know, we just left off of the farm just now, and of course we do have to bring the product at the farm. Come get the finishing touch, you don't know. The chef, John Mark himself, I film time I show you now, cause me do my time, and you don't know, we just show you how the industry work hand in hand. So me do my part, and then I provide my part to the chef, and the chef deal with film part. So a John Mark part I show you, don't know.
Jerk
right.
man, them link up in the nose. So watch if you raise right. If you not raise right, you not raise right. Remember good, man.
If you not raise right, you not raise right.
You are going tender chicken.
Whoa.
When the man talk about aloe vera and the garlic and the lime, I tell. When him talk about clean chicken and lime, I tell, brother.
Just look on the
Just
chicken.
look on it.
Some of the
Not
prettiest.
a feather to be found.
Some of the prettiest chicken we ever see for
Not
real.
a feather to be found.
In truth, for
I
real.
just cut and
No
clean,
joke.
people, man. Just cut and clean, man. Just cut and clean, man. See there? That is it.
And him a do
That
them
is
in
it,
a half.
man.
As
Oh
him
yeah.
say.
Oh yeah, in a half.
Yeah,
Whoa,
man.
In a half.
Yeah, man, we just
Crazy.
jerk them in half, man, so them keep the moisture. Jerk them
yeah.
now so them keep the moisture, alright?
But them a look
Yes,
at me see
man.
some from in a early this morning
Don't
though.
worry yourself, nobody tell nobody.
Nah, tell them.
Nobody tell nobody.
Right. Amazing.
I don't know, we're gonna pair it with some, what you say we're pair it with?
Some
We're
festival.
gonna pair it with some festival.
Yes.
You don't know?
Nice.
Midway, you know,
gonna
we
be
do
a
up a
vibe.
sorrel base for
And
it.
a sorrel beer the boss I work with.
Yes,
So you don't know,
man.
it's a sorrel jerk chicken moment.
Vibes.
Alright.
Vibes from the river. From the farm to the plate.
Yeah man, from
That
the farm
is
to
just
the
like
plate.
that. No get no better than that.
Yes sir.
Don't get no better than that. Straight from the farm to the plate. We're there, right? Pon there. River Edge. Just a vibe. Right here. Pon the great Caymanas River. It's just a crazy vibe. Just a few minutes back. The farm is up there. We see the poultry farm. It's just crazy. We see the broilers. We see the layers. We see the pigs. We see the goat. It's just crazy. And right now we're there upon the river. I do some crazy. I gotta eat some chicken. From the farm to the plate. Vibes. Yeah, man.
Just believe, you know. The GLE I go come dog a 9.5 when you see me pull up dog. The moon top fly one time with the first dog.
Nobody.
So the heat just start rise up on the them.
Morning shot.
Oh!
You catch full.
Right for life, man.
Morning shot now.
Go to the park, me never come back. Dark, me dark, and me know.
Oh God.
That's the money line, man.
Oh God.
From black eye class, look what it done to. From black eye class.
Yeah. Wow, amazing.
No,
man. God, amazing, man.
You know we love it,
Right,
you know we love it. You know we love it. Expensive color right on the river banks. Vibes. Yeah, man.
Fucking bitch back up in a fast ride. She drink me on to she got tired. Come back and book your man
Some of the prettiest chicken, brother. Believe me. Some of the prettiest chicken. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You man come down, man.
Yeah.
Come down now.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Got the vibes, man. Got the vibes.
People are ball and a stink away, but then we mean bloody crime clean. Cause I'm a sweet I'm than this crystal. Girl I my brain, she a Natalie. She need to be the cocker spin to the crib. When I cashier sing a pack of this. The ball in a kiss, I never sack a click. My body big but slim and have a fat click. Swear to God, me no matter this.
Soak him down.
Circle a pussy with a long a clip. Baby because he a feed the pussy then salad.
I'm done now.
I'm chipping on my door, me that chipping on my clothes. I should have on a dress, I'm slipping a shoe.
The cash hot, why you want tax? Me Rolex, and the chicken price non-stop.
Press the button, fly them forward to the matter, please.
Respect. Test them out, you know?
Them German with the cost more than a BNB. When I rave of a girl full of discharge. And another girl I'm different. And they say I'm crazy, but really I'm pushed to
Yeah, me I said, man, I'm from the chicken farm. See, you know me, I'm Indian chef Billy, you know, when I cloud. It's a good food, I have to eat.
Sauce.
Yeah.
That's the vibes, man.
Yeah, man.
That's the vibes.
These are the vibes right here on the river. We've been to this, we went to the farm and we see the chicken them on the farm. And this is actually the same chicken we are eating right as up on the river banks. It's amazing. And chef there and the general them there. Father Bailey there.
Yeah.
A sauce here. It mixed with tropics, as in Tropicana tropics. Crazy, wicked mixture. And the pepper and the spice.
Oh. Yo. I bong chicken alone then.
Oh. Oh. No fly in the kitchen. No baking boy in the kitchen.
I'll just buy my one there. Just buy my one gun. Come on there. That got my one. Some of the prettiest chicken ever. The chicken is pretty. Oh, the processor. Oh, him take care of him chicken. Oh, him feed them.
And for sure, one thing, the chicken moist. Trust me. See the garlic when put in the water?
Crazy. Wicked.
It work.
Wicked. Yeah, man. Look on this whole season now over there upon the river.
Catch your foot in the air.
Yeah, man. When you say boy daily, we have to eat chicken daily.
Right from the farm to the plate. Yeah, man. Chicken done enough.
Yeah, man.
Done enough.
Bye, boy, old man, you know the thing go.
Crazy, man.
Jerk down the whole place.
Oh, God, man.
Well, go on. If I don't raise right, you don't raise right, man. Remember, go down.
Real, man.
Yeah, man, if I don't raise right, you don't raise right, man. You want something? I have to make sure that. Alright. Alright, that's everybody that?
Can I get some more of the sauce, please?
Yeah.
The sauce.
Active, man. Yeah? Active, man. But then if you give your breath, you're dead. You know, drive. If you give your breath, you're dead. You're not dead, man. If you give your breath, and enough. So you can't give your breath in there. Yeah, man. You can't. You give your leg on there, you want to eat it. And then the bread in them will pray up.
Boy, chef, you make it work.
Right now. Anyway, there, one dollar, the food there, man. See, I'll bring $1 sample. Go leave there, fee, man.
So that is the vibe right here on Caymanas River. Jerk chicken straight from the farm to your mouth or to the plate. Vibes. Yeah, man.
Boss, go for the birthday, but don't eat. We are going down and eat some more. Yeah, you know the chicken is amazing. One step on it. But at the vibes, that's the vibe, man.
One more round. One more round. That's the vibe right here upon the river. Oh. Look at that. Yes, man. One more. Feel like more got that leg alone, you know. One leg, you know. Just one leg straight, you know. One leg straight, you know. This is the second round. Yeah, man.
Chef, why eat brown bread? Wheat bread.
Yeah.
And the wicked jerk chicken with the wicked sauce.
That's the vibe. Yeah, man. To the second round.
Oh.
Yeah, this is a drop off of the bone. This is a drop off of the bone. Crazy vibe. And it's paste with the sauce.
100K, give me this clutch. 800K fee, bro. Oh,
yeah. Crazy. This is bad. I don't think so we don't eat, not done. More eating continues. That's the vibe.
Yeah, man. Can't just jerk down the whole place, people. Farm to table, farm to grill, farm to riverside, anything I want.
Farm to mouth.
Farm to mouth, to belly.
Oh, to belly. That's the vibe. That's the vibe.
Really hard life.
Really hard life. You not get no yardy than this.
Nothing.
No yardy than this. You not get no yardy than this. That's the vibe.
If I no jerk, if I no raise right, you know raise right.